Hello, everyone. Sometimes, it's the most random moments that remind us just how magical life can be. Camera doesn't just capture images, it preserves emotions. Let's dive into the extraordinary wonders hidden within our everyday world.
Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Ever imagined resting your head on a snake? In Sunshine Coast, one resident nearly had a terrifyingly real nightmare nap.
You're not supposed to be in bed.
Not a cowboy movie, just a regular Wednesday morning in Michigan, where a herd of horses galloped freely through the streets. In Australia, spotting a 1-meter-long goanna in your yard isn't that rare. But the reflex to jump on a table, still completely natural. A peaceful hunting trip until an ostrich appeared at full speed like a rocket from nowhere. On Friday evening, February 7th, rush hour came to a standstill in Phoenix Park as dozens of deer casually crossed the main avenue.
Themselves? No, it's not irritable.
3 newly arrived alpacas just moved into a nursing home in County Wicklow, Ireland, bringing fluffy joy to the residents.
Okay.
Next time someone asks, "Who's in charge of the horse?" just say, "Not a human, it's a dog. And it's way more stylish than you think." Monkeys are incredibly smart and love imitating humans. But using a water bottle, that's a whole new level of mimicry. Think restaurant staff only deal with customers and food. In Perth, Australia, they also have to handle venomous snakes. Luckily, no one was hurt. A motorcyclist in Belgium was shocked when a pigeon slammed into him while riding through Antwerp. How fun would it be to look out the window during dinner and see massive guests strolling through downtown like it's totally normal? A Chihuahua was rescued and reunited with its owner after sprinting 10 miles down Interstate 5 in busy San Diego traffic.
They got it. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
When a single cat sitting on the stairs stops 5 big dogs from passing, it's clear who really runs the house.
Let the dogs down.
On the evening of April 5th, a lone horse casually caught the train at Warwick Farm Station, leaving Sydney commuters stunned. In Victoria, A man got the shock of his life when a snake suddenly struck his leg while he stood on a boat deck, all caught on camera. This couple was just enjoying a peaceful walk until a high-speed deer decided to crash the moment in epic style. We've all heard of the Grinch stealing Christmas, but what about the bear who stole the Grinch? Who says only strong legs get to play? Just look at the smile on this dog's face. Pure joy on wheels. The lights dimmed, the movie started, and in walked an uninvited guest. No ticket needed, just the scent of popcorn led this moose straight to the cinema. A squirrel dashed along the fence like an Olympian, hauling a croissant twice its size. Truly, a master pastry thief. One Christmas visitor arrived way too early. A panicked deer burst through the window and took out the Christmas tree on its way in. A heartwarming scene in Washington. A cat calmly soaking in a spontaneous spa day from a deer. True friendship knows no species. A fierce lightning bolt ripped through the sky and struck a tree during a thunderstorm in Missouri. A stunning and powerful display of nature. Think you're safe from lightning? This house in Decatur wasn't so lucky when nature made an explosive visit.
This is Maddie, Shelley.
A patrol officer in Red River, New Mexico, nearly collided with a deer darting across a snowy slope. A heart-stopping intersection moment. No traffic jam, but you still have to stop. What would you do if a lion was napping right in the middle of the road? Honk or hit record? Expecting snow and wind on the slopes, the skier got an extra thrill when a bear suddenly emerged, looking ready to join the race. Who needs a spa when nature provides the perfect back scratcher? Hit 1 if this made you smile too. Just one glimpse, and you'll understand why aviation fans are obsessed with moments like these. An uninvited guest, a mako shark suddenly leapt aboard. Terrifying moment, but calm reaction saved the day.
It's on the boat.
Lightning struck so close, even the storm chaser froze. Nature doesn't get any more intense than this. Truly beautiful and strange. A rare scene that looks straight out of a dream. Think taking wedding photos in the city is safe. Not in Philadelphia. Even snakes want to join the celebration. A living waterfall. Thousands of wildebeest charging across a Kenyan river, creating a wild current of raw power and beauty. breathtaking migration scene, nature's chaotic masterpiece in motion. An 8-legged guest suddenly took over a home security camera in Sydney, and no one was ready for that close-up. Like stepping into a fairy tale, the Mendenhall ice cave glistened like a crystal palace underground. Katie Giorgio captured the magic just in time. Lightning put on a dazzling light show right over downtown Los Angeles, all captured in slow motion, frame by frame. Heart-stopping moment. While carving a cliff face, a boulder the size of a car came crashing down. Unbelievably dangerous. Every spring, thousands of Arctic reindeer trek dozens of miles a day on an epic journey north toward the Arctic Ocean. Think only humans celebrate Mother's Day. Lions at the London Zoo received fragrant gifts to mark the occasion too. Whether it's 5 minutes or 5 days, goods return is always met like a VIP arrival. Antarctica unleashed its fury again. A violent snowstorm swept through Australia's research station, blanketing everything in a blinding whiteout. Not a delivery, not a visitor, just a crocodile knocking at the door, giving the homeowner the shock of a lifetime.
Stop it.
Free zoo visit? Not quite. This main character took up the whole lane and refused to budge for anyone. Talk about stubborn guests. Right in front of a home in Alaska, two bull moose clashed in a fierce battle, a scene that left everyone watching breathless. The aurora danced over Tasmania, lighting up the night with a celestial performance that needed no stage.
Oh my god! No! Get it!
When visiting Bali, keep your wallet close. You never know when a cheeky monkey might borrow it without asking.
Where's he at? He's right behind you.
Move over Uber. A whole bear family took a stroll down the avenue. If you see one in real life, don't stop for selfies. A stunning scene in Florida. A remora fish quietly hitched a ride on a whale shark, gliding together through the deep blue sea. A once-in-a-lifetime sight. An army of spider crabs shedding their shells in perfect unison, like an underwater ritual dance. Just a few seconds are enough to feel nature's fury. Storm Otto forced the ocean Endeavor to battle monstrous waves in a brutal clash. In the blink of an eye, a flash flood swept through Le Lavandou like a wave of fury. Streets turned into raging rivers. Turtles are slow and docile. Meet Nicaragua's escape artist. This pro breakout left everyone speechless. A donkey gave viewers a fright by standing still on the train tracks as a train sped toward it. Luckily, the driver stopped just in time.
What the hell?
Family in Washington couldn't believe their eyes when a bald eagle, America's symbol, paid them a visit and stared right through their window.
No.
A resident in Pennsylvania was shocked to find an ostrich strolling in front of their house. The whole neighborhood buzzed with curiosity.
Yeah.
A curious bear dropped by someone's porch, climbed onto a chair, and sniffed around, maybe looking for cake on its birthday. In Tennessee, a black bear climbed onto a truck and grabbed a plastic bag like it was doing weekly shopping. The owner said he visits often. In Florida, a brave dog named Lucy stood her ground, facing off a black bear through the glass door like she was saying, "This is my territory."
Guys, any little one? Yeah.
Summer cleaning tip. Always check behind the bookshelf. You never know if someone unexpected is reading with you.
I'll catch you now. Here we go.
Only in Florida can you see a golf cart, fake flamingos, and a massive alligator enjoying a casual stroll like it's the weekend. These scientists ventured into the danger zone to save critical data. A powerful reminder that courage is part of science too. Gentoo penguins begin their snowy trek and ocean dive, searching for new waters in a seasonal migration. At Everglades National Park, tourists were stunned to witness a tense face-off between an American alligator and a caiman.
Oh no.
This dog just redefined chill pet, wearing a yellow life jacket and cruising on a jet ski like a pro rider. Humpback whales glide across the ocean, performing nature's majestic symphony in full display. It started with a drip. Then the entire ceiling of a Texas bedroom collapsed. A terrifying moment caught on camera. A spring storm dropped the year's first hailstones in Colorado, tapping like a chilly welcome to the new season. This isn't a movie. It's real life. A helicopter landed right on the highway, leaving drivers in awe. The sun and moon appeared together in the daytime sky, a rare and stunning sight. Do you know what this phenomenon is called? Whales migrate from icy northern waters to warmer bays, continuing the ancient rhythm of life across the seas. City traffic is one thing, but being stuck in the middle of a bison herd in Yellowstone, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
And acknowledge you. So once they acknowledge you, typically you can just move through without trying to.
In North Vancouver, a deer stood outside a liquor store like it was deciding which wine to grab for dinner. An oil pipeline blazing like a volcano. A fire tornado blazed across the landscape, whipping like a living creature. A scene so rare you may never see it twice. That's not smoke or dust. It's a tornado of insects. This bizarre, real-life phenomenon in Missouri left witnesses rubbing their eyes.
Garrick! Garrick!
In Yellowstone, nature can get up close. A massive bison appeared just outside a car window, stunning everyone.
Go! No!
I got nothing for you, buddy.
Who said amusement parks are just for people? In Tennessee, a black bear casually visited a theme park and enjoyed lunch like a guest.
Oh. Ooh.
One night in Brasilia, a pack of capybaras marched through a residential area, all thanks to the family dog who sounded the alarm. Sometimes alligators cross the road not to cause chaos, but simply to sunbathe, a peaceful break in their daily routine. Think fixing a car is boring. Wait until an unexpected passenger shows up in the trunk mid-inspection. Imagine stepping outside and finding your car broken into, not by a thief, but a hungry bear in broad daylight.
Oh my gosh.
Forgetting your wallet at the store is normal, but crashing through a glass door like this deer did, totally unexpected.
Buddy, what are you doing?
You think the bathroom is the last safe place? Not in Australia. Always check before you sit down, or you might find something. Not the toilet lid. In Boulder, Colorado, a bear casually turned someone's porch into a fine dining spot, munching on pumpkins like it's a fall buffet. Meanwhile, a bear in Connecticut sniffed every pumpkin, picked the best one, and walked away like it just paid with eye contact. Canadian geese don't need a reason to get angry. One look longer than half a second, and that dog found out the hard way.
Nothing like an ice cold Coke syrup.
Think only humans do yoga. A black bear in Colombia looked ready to sign up for a gym membership. A heart-stopping video from North Vancouver shows a large black bear inspecting a trash can just inches from the front of a car.
Well, he's not scared of noise at all. He's not scared.
On August 5th in California, a teacher walked into her classroom only to find a very unusual student, a baby bear picking its seat.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
A crocodile hiding under a shopping cart at a Publix in South Carolina shut the whole area down. Moral: always check under your feet, even for a quick grocery run. In South Carolina, a crocodile calmly crossed at a pedestrian walkway, showing off its polite model citizen manners. Authorities warn, leave food or garbage outside, and your porch could host an entire bear feast. On June 8th in Sisters Rodeo, a bull jumped over the barricade mid-rodeo and charged into the crowd. A terrifying moment for all.
Shot out that one.
Oh, he's...
In Florida, sidewalks aren't just for pedestrians anymore. A 5-foot lizard took a leisurely stroll like it owned the neighborhood.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
A mountain lion was caught on camera in Milpitas, California, jumping a fence and walking through an alleyway, leaving residents stunned. A bear in California sneaked into a garage, opened the fridge, and walked off with a cake. Experts warn bears getting used to human food is a dangerous trend.
Oh my god.
We should go pet it.
In Frisco, Colorado, a baby moose appeared in a neighborhood and impressively paused to look both ways before crossing.
Hey, what's up, bro? I'll tell you what, here, I'm gonna walk behind you. Do me a favor.
Who says only humans hit the gym? A deer in Louisville, Kentucky, entered a fitness center, forcing the police to politely escort it out.
Trespassing from the property, girl, okay?
Running late for work, this horse was running later and chose the freeway to catch up on time. If you were holding the camera in this situation, would you A, keep filming, or B, drop your phone and run? Comment your answer. Wild boars are common in Texas and often seen as a nuisance, but this time they became unexpected cycling companions.
Oh my gosh.
What if animals start learning human habits? A kangaroo near Lake Macquarie stood by the road waving, like trying to catch a bus.
All right. Oh, here it is here. It's out in the open.
This isn't a movie. It's real life in Queensland. Hit like and subscribe to never miss these wild nature pop-ins.
Got him.